In front of me is OPPO Reno 13FS, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Start by opening free app called Files from Google Developer. This app is already on your device, and it's my favorite one to get rid of junk files while I'm testing new devices or especially old devices. After tapping on it, you will see those three lines at the top left corner. You need to tap on them too, and this way hit clean. Now select clean under junk files and hit clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds my junk files were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!